Let me tell y'all how I made so much money in school. I bought my first Rolex at 16. I'll charge tomorrow, but I got bail.
Good. It's Jamaican money. I gotta go convert this. I don't know. I don't even know where to start. See, y'all people that hate and stuff. Look what I'm doing. I don't understand why y'all bothering none of y'all. Not coming at you and me.
Welcome back, YouTube. Alright, so I'm gonna teach y'all how to make some money. Some real money. Alright, so you're still in school, fam. What first comes to your head when you think about making some money? Selling shoes, selling clothes. Well, you probably don't think about selling clothes. But first thing that comes to my head is selling candy, fam. Because, bro, nigga, the vending machines at school, the candy in there is, a lot of times, it's not the good stuff. It's like some baked chips, nigga, like maybe some Gatorades. If you're lucky, you got school like that. You might just have a vending machine full of water, fam. You might get a Coke machine, but you know how today's time is a good chance you're not. And the vending machines, most of the time, they're gonna be taxing for food, or they're just not gonna have nothing good in there. So this is the way to make money in school, fam. This has been proven for years, nigga. Before I was born, people was doing this, selling food at school, man. You might be, hold on. This not like hey, nigga, hey. It's not like everybody else video. I'm gonna tell you the real way to make some money, the real way of flipping this candy business, bro. Cause, bro, at a young nigga, bro, I was bringing home like $50, $100 every day, easy. Like flipping, bro. I had people selling for me, fam. So I was bringing home like $50, $100 by myself. Then I had other people selling for me, fam. That's what you can do too. But before you even do that, fam, how you get started, fam? All you need is like $20. Nigga, use that $20. Now I'm not saying I'm the best role model, but I'm gonna really tell you the real way to make some money, how to flip this candy business. And what you do is, you might spend, nigga, I started off with $5. And I flipped that $5, made it into 10. Flip that $10, made it into 20. What you can do is, go to the store, buy like some dollar candy, buy a whole bunch of dollar candy. But if you a real nigga, fam, if you really want to be about this candy business, you really want to flip this candy, fam, what you can do is, don't tell nobody, steal the candy, fam. Yeah, I know. Like, you ain't nobody ever said that before. Ain't nobody else said that before. Yeah, I know. Nigga, steal the candy, fam. Don't get caught though. Put that shit in your pants. You take the candy, fam, it's free. Think about this. Really think. It's 100% profit. Now, nigga, if you just take candy bars, man, bro, you can take 20, 15 candy bars, put it in your pants, put it in your backpack, nigga. Buy a little bit of stuff. Buy like $5 worth of candy. Buy that. Walk out to the store, nigga. You got $25 worth of candy, and you only spend $5. You sell each candy bar for $1. That's cheap, cause you know candy's starting to rise up. So a candy bar is like $1.50, like $1.25. Like it's going up. It's going up. It's not just $1 no more. Think about it. You turn that $5 into $25. You go back to the store. You can do it legit now. You're doing it legit. Buy $25 worth of candy. You buy the little candy box. Duh. And you can still. Think about this, you can still take those candy bars. Now, you can't just go to any store, fam. You gotta go to like a Dollar General or a Dollar Tree. Most likely a Dollar General. Because Dollar Generals, they got that little place where you can really hide it. They got that what is it called? That blind spot. Go to the blind spot. Stuff your stuff up. Get straight. Now, when you doing it, bro, wear 2 pair of pants. Wear some shorts. Well, first off, you need to wear some compression shorts. You put in the candy bars in your compression shorts, and then you have some regular shorts over it. Then you got some sweatpants. Then you got like a hoodie on, or you got something more baggier clothes. You do that, fam. You walking out with like $25 worth of candy, fam. You go to the store, You sell each candy bar for $1. You can sell like the king size. You can take the king, bro. You can take the king size candy bars. Those hoes go for like $2, man. You can sell it for $2. Think about this. You take 20 king size candy bars. You sell them. You flip that little $5. You still got that $5 worth of candy. That's for you to snack on, fam. Really, to be honest with you. But you can still make profit off that. Then you got that 20, 15. Let's just say you had 15 candy bars. 15 king size candy bars, fam. You flip those 15 king size candy bars, sell them $2 each. Good. What you doing is, fam, you coming out, you flip those 15, you making $30 off of $5, fam. You making really $35 because if you buy like $5 of just regular candy bars, you're really gonna make like $33 to be honest with you. You making your profit back, man. You're really making like $30 in straight profit. To be honest with you, then you making a little side money. You're gonna come, bro. Think about it, fam. You only spent $5, fam. You just flipped $5 into $35 like that. And you know how school is. Everybody wants something to eat. Everybody wants candy, fam. Even if it takes you 2 days to sell the candy bars, it's most likely it's only gonna take you 1 day to sell all that candy. To be honest with you. You sell all that candy in 1 day. You came up on $30 right there. $30. Alright, so you take that $30. Now you can do it legit if you want to. You can go to Sam's Club, buy 2 boxes of candy, flip that. You already made $60. So you can flip that $30 and make $60. Buy the 30 packs of the candy, or the boxes of candy. They're like $15 for a box of candy, and they come with like 25 for 30. You can flip that $30 and make $50, $60. You turn that $50 and you flip that, re-up. You got a little side money now. Put away $5. Put away $10. Use that $40 to re-up again. No, really use that $30 to re-up again. You got $20. Really put $20 away per profit. Put $20 away. Or depending on how much you make off of it, you know how I hustle for real, you might make 60, but if you just make 50, put that $20 away, use that 30 and re-up again. Re-up and do the exact same thing you did last time. Flip it. You can make, bro. This time, you got $20 already away in profit. You could flip that, put another 20 away. You just made $40 in profit, and you still got candy to sell. You got another like $50 worth of candy to sell. You understand my drift? Flip that, put $20 away. You got $60 put away. Now you got $60 straight profit. You at school, man. Flip, bro. Next thing you know, you gonna be at $100. Now you can do is spend that $100, re-up, and buy a whole bunch of candy, chips, and drinks. Now you set for real. You can buy the little Gatorade things. Those hoes be like $7 for a pack of 12 Gatorades. A pack of 12 Gatorades for $7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's $5 in profit. You just flipping this. It's not hard. Now that you got the product, you got the finances, you can bring other people into your business. Tell them, hey, you give me $10. I give you some product. I give you like $20 in product. You give me $10. You bring me back $10. I give you like $15 in product. So they making $5 off that, but you're making 10. You flipping it. You don't even have to do all the work. Now you got somebody else working for you. You making passive income while you eating. You eating. They working for you. You get 2 people to do that. They bring you $20 every day. They only got $15 worth of product. They selling every day. They constantly come every day. They bring you back $10 every day. Every day they bring you back $10. You making $20 every day off of 2 people, fam. That's not even counting the money that you made, that you're making off of selling your product. And the key is, man, get people in different grades than you, people in lower grades than you, because they gonna see you making money and they gonna want to do the exact same thing. Get people you can trust that's not gonna run off with you. But at the end of the day, fam, they not gonna run off. You know why? Because they bring you $10 every time. They bring you $10 of their money to start me. They need a re-up. They're re-upping with you. They're not re-upping with the store. They're re-upping with you. Now, eventually, yeah, they might mess around and start their own little thing. But at the end of the day, fam, you're the one with the most clientele because you started it. And that's how you flip the candy business. See, say it. Move back on the
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun